Hey everyone, welcome to the PDNob channel.
The recent Chat GPT Image 2 upgrade has made generating images with text information more powerful than ever before. If you're looking to create complex infographics or creative visuals, this tool is exactly what you need. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of generating an high-fidelity infographic. Let's dive in. First, open Chat GPT and select the image mode. To generate an accurate infographic, the prompt is crucial. The more specific your prompt, the better the infographic. Describe what you want to include, the content, the style, and the layout you envision. I'll show you an example. For example, if you want to generate an infographic about mini gardens, here's a prompt you can use. Create an infographic about mini gardens, highlighting benefits, design ideas, and plant types. Use green and brown tones with a clean, minimalistic style. Once you input the prompt, ChatGPT will generate the infographic based on your description. In just a few minutes, you'll have a custom image that fits your needs. Here are the key elements of the prompt. Topic and purpose define the main subject and focus. Content highlights key points. Visual style covers the color scheme and overall tone. Now, one thing to note, while ChatGPT Image 2 creates stunning infographics, the generated image often has some elements that might not match your exact vision, but the image is not editable. If you want to make further adjustments or modifications, you'll need to use PDNob PDF Editor. The free download link is in the description. To edit your infographic in PDNob, simply open the software and click the plus icon to choose Convert to PDF. Select your infographic image, and you'll see an option to perform OCR at the top. OCR is a powerful function that can scan the text within your image and convert it into editable text. After clicking Perform OCR, you'll need to confirm the language and click Perform OCR to start the conversion. In just moments, your infographic will be converted into an editable file, enabling you to correct errors, modify the content, or add and remove text as required. So, if you need a quick, visually engaging infographic, ChatGPT Image 2 can generate one for you in minutes. And if you want to edit or customize your infographic, PDNob is the perfect tool to turn the image into fully editable content. That's it for today's tutorial. If this video helped you understand how to use ChatGPT Image 2 and PDNob to create and edit infographics, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.